An exceptional example of spiritual ecstasy and joy felt by some early believers in a devotional gathering is explained in the following story. Nabil has recounted the story of a gathering held one evening in the house of Baha'u'llah in Baghdad, some time before his declaration. He considered that gathering to have been one of the most memorable of his life. That night, a wonderful feast had been arranged, and Abdu'l-Baha, then 18 years of age, was acting as host. His youthful and radiant personality added distinction to the assembly. A number of believers from Baghdad and Kabila were present, among them some eminent personalities. After partaking of food, they began to chant the tablets of Baha'u'llah, and soon the atmosphere became deeply spiritual. Hearts were filled with divine love, and souls were illumined by the light of the new day. So, when the poem of From the Garden of Holiness, a tablet of Baha'u'llah, was chanted, its mysteries became apparent to them, revealing thereby the approaching hour of the unveiling of Baha'u'llah's divine station. Every sincere soul in that company experienced ecstasy and joy, and the atmosphere became alive with excitement and rapture. Then, without warning, the door opened and Baha'u'llah entered majestically, holding in his hand a small glass vessel of rose water. He greeted them with the salutation, "God is the greatest." With these words they greeted each other, and he bade them not to arise or disrupt their meeting. He had felt the spirituality of that gathering, he said, and so had come to anoint them with the rose water. In those days it was considered a gracious act for the host to anoint his guests with rose water. This he graciously did, going to every person in the room, after which he left. It was a mighty climax, and the highlight of the evening. No one was able to sleep that night. So intoxicated were they with the wine of his presence. The like of that night, Nabil writes, the eye of creation had not seen.